So, I'm going to read a book to you. Today, the camera is not on the computer, it's on the top of a big, large cup. And I can't tell you how the cup looks because you're not going to know. But we're going to read some poems, little poems that make sense. They're out of the book, My Favorite Foodles. I don't read that kind, but when I was in when I was in first grade, I got this book. And, well, it was in my teacher's classroom. Don't tell. I stole it. But I don't know why. I just thought it was a good book when I was in first grade, and then I just stole it. I just thought it was good to steal because you get in trouble. But I brought it back, and when I brought it back, I put it back on the shelf. And I thought, because my mom had said that I could like bring it back tomorrow if you want to, and you can keep it so other people won't get it when you're trying to get it. And I was trying to read it to her. So when I read the whole book to her, she said, "Oh, that's a good book. You can read it all over again to get more smarter." So I was like, wow. And I just got the book. Okay. So this one is Oodles of Noodles by Lucia and James L. Hims Jr. I love noodles. Give me oodles. Make a mound up to the sun. Noodles are my favorite foods. I eat noodles by the ton. That was a little short one. And a Banana by Denise Lee. And a Banana jumped into stew. Gravy and carrots are good for you. Good for your teeth and your fingernails. And your fingernails too. So Anna Banana jumped into the stew. It's kind of short, but then we get to the other page. A House is a House for Me by Marianne Harberman. Okay? A flower at home in a garden, a donkey's at home in a stall. Each creature that's known has a house of its own, and the earth is a house for us all. That wasn't like a poem, but it was kind of. A House by Charlotte or Carlette Zolter. Everyone has a house, Everyone has a house. The bear has a cave, the bird has a nest. The mole has a hole, but what is best is a house like ours, with windows and doors and rugs and floors. Everyone has a house, everyone has a house. It says books to enjoy. We're going to read Jamberry, okay? Jamberry by Bruce Deacon. Under the bridge and over the dam, looking for berries for jam. A bear and a boy visit Bearland, you can too. Little Bear by Else Holland. Minark. Illustrations by Morris Sendak. This is kind of like short, okay? Little Bear plans to fly as high as the moon. Is he ready to go? So that's a question. So it says, Little Bear plans to fly as high as the moon. Is he ready to go? Now, you can give me that question in my comments. Is the little bear wants to hide, right? So he wants to fly. Is the little bear ready to fly? Okay, so I don't know what my eyes look like that, but it's really cute. Call me fat. Anyways, what is that camp today? And no t-shirts because we went to the library. I was at camp. I'm not at summer school. I'm going to 4th. So we're at camp, right? And we went to the library and we went to the Jambalaya Park. My mama had came. Had came with 3 kids, and then we went back to the van. We watched, we played for a little bit, and then we watched the movie. People didn't want to watch Daddy's Day because it's so old, and we were watching the movie. Right, we were watching it, and then want to watch it. So we told Mr. Jaron, that people didn't want to watch this movie because we've seen it already. And then he said, y'all don't watch the movie? And then we told him if we can go in the warehouse. And he said, and he just went. And then he said, yeah. And then after that, we just all ran. And they took the TV, they put it on the floor, they took the movie out, put it back in the thing. And then we just started playing until everybody had to leave. This is The Wolf's Chicken Stew by Peacock Casa. This one is short too. A wolf wants to trick a hen and her chicks. Will his trick work? Well, I don't get that one. Tell me if you get it. A wolf wants to trick a hen and her chicks. I get it. Will this trick work? Will his trick work? Okay, that's what we get. A wolf wants to trick a hen and her chicks. So if the wolf is trying to, like, I get it now. Since a wolf is hungry and a wolf eats anything, right? It wants chicken, right? Or rooster or whatever. And when he gets it, it's gonna eat it, right? So what's the difference? I get it now. Wait, but will this trick work? Will it work? Don't Forget the Bacon by Pat Hutchins. We already read that story about Pat Hutchins. But anyway, a boy tries to remember what his mother wants him to buy. It's not easy to go so far with a long list in your head. Building a House by Brian Barton. A family wants a house built on a green hill. Many people, tools, and machines have to get busy. Goldilocks and the Three Bears by James Marshall. A girl used a bear family's house and food. Uh-oh, here comes the bears. That's it. So peace. And y'all know how to do my, look, this how you do the heart. I'm going to do that every time I read a book. Look, you go like this to both of them. You get your middle finger and you get your index finger. You go like this, you flip it over, and you put it again, and that's how it works. So peace. Every time I do a book, I'm going to do that.